What's going on YouTube? This is your boy Card Hunter V with the pack opening today. And today's product I got 2020 Panini Prizm draft picks. I want to thank F&G Sports, Fred and Gene for selling me this product to me. They are located in Elkhart, Indiana. Here's the card and address. So if you guys want to hit them up and see what they got, feel free. Once again, I want to thank them for hooking me up with this product. What's going on with the opening? A lot of exciting things in this product. Hopefully hit a Tua or Joe Burrow. I'm a big Colts fan, so I wouldn't mind hitting a Michael Pittman or Jonathan Taylor. Also a Notre Dame fan, so Cole Kmet, Kareem, all of them. Here's the packs, 5 packs, 8 cards each, an auto in each pack. So let's go on and get these open. First pack. All right, let's see. We got Cooper Kupp, Darius Slayton, Ezekiel Elliott, first card, Jerry Rice, in green, 25 out of 249, and then we got T. Higgins. I don't know if that's silver parallel, rookie card. 280 out of 299. And our auto is Rico Dowdle from, is that Carolina? 102 out of 49. Is that, I think that's orange. And then we got Curtis Weaver and Javon Kinlaw. Alright, next pack. I don't know about you guys, but I can't wait for the new NFL season to come in. Rooting for my Colts with a new quarterback this year. Here's Jared Goff, Marquise Brown, All-Americans, Mecole Hardman Jr., All-Americans. And then we got Christian McCaffrey. Is that Christian? Yes, it is. Christian McCaffrey. 14 out of 299. That's a nice hit right there. And then we got KJ Hill from Ohio State. Not numbered. And our auto card is Kendrick Rogers out of ATM. 19 out of 149. And then we got Justin Herbert and CJ Henderson. I need to get these card sleeves real quick opened. Put these in real quick. Sorry about that, you guys. I should have done this in the beginning. I'll put that in. Law, McCaffrey, T. Higgins. You know what, you guys? I'll do that later. I know it's gonna bother some of y'all, but I'm gonna continue with the pack opening real quick. All right, next pack. We got Leonard Fournette, John Elway. John Elway. Alvin Kamara Crusade, Kyler Murray, All-Americans, and then we got Chase Young out of 38 out of 49. What a great hit right there. Oh, wow. I'm going to have to put that on a sleeve. And then I don't know about you guys, but the next card, Justin Jefferson out of LSU, 149 out of 149. Put that on the card sleeve. I know he went to the Minnesota Vikings. Good pick. And the rest, we got Jalen Rigor and Jerry Pickney. What a hit. What a hit. Next pack. Come on, Tua. Come on, Joe Burrow. Emmitt Smith. Deontay Johnson. Russell Wilson. Oh, we got here. This is what, blue? John Elway. 10 out of 30. Oh, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Good hit. John Elway. 10 out of 30. Good hit. Next hit, Donovan Peoples-Jones from Michigan. And this one is also a 29 out of 30. I'm guessing, what is it, blue? I don't know. You guys let me know what parallel this is, what color. I can't tell. Is that blue? It gotta be blue. Out of 30. Out of 30. If you're watching this video, please press that subscribe button and like this video if you guys want more contact, more product contact. And then we got Tavion Feaster. Sticker auto. Put that in the sleeve too. Okay, and again we got one more pack after this. Jalen Hurd. Another good hit. Rookie card. Put that in the sleeve too. He went to the Eagles. I really wanted the Indianapolis Colts to pick him, but I'm happy with Jacob Eason. Stay behind Phillip Rivers for a little bit, and then we got Anthony Gordon. Stay behind Phillip Rivers for a few years. I'm hearing that Phillip Rivers might stay for an extra few more years with the Indianapolis Colts. We're going to see. Next pack. Last pack. Let's go on and open this. First card, Josh Jacobs, Deshaun Watson, Alvin Kamara, and we got orange parallel, Matt Ryan. Ooh, good hit. 69 out of 149. That's a good hit. For next card, Shea Patterson from Michigan. Not numbered. Regular. And look at this, you guys. I don't know about you, but I'm a huge Notre Dame fan. And I got Tony Jones Jr. Sticker auto. Not numbered. Out of Notre Dame. Good hit for me. As you guys see the background right here, I got Manti Te'o. Old boy Bobby Sanders from the Indianapolis Colts, and Joseph Adai jersey card right there. Huge Notre Dame Colts fan. Yes, I am from Indiana. Love my hometown teams. Not a Pacers fan. I'm a Miami Heat fan. So, that's shocking right there. So here are our auto card hits. Try to get them all together. We're missing one more. Right. Who am I missing? Here we go. Justin Jefferson. Good hits. Look at all that. Oh, man. Alright, you guys. That's going to be it. For next time. Till next time, I should say. Alright, once again, I want to thank F&G Sports for hooking me up with this product. Here's their card again. Hit them up if you have any questions. Hopefully, I'm able to get another hookup for another pack opening, hopefully, by next week. Once again, you guys, if this is the first time seeing this video or on this channel, please press the subscribe button and like it, please. I would really appreciate it. Trying to get started on my YouTube channel. This is your boy Carter Hunter V, and I am out.